Welcome back. In this video lecture, I'm going to teach you about if statements in C programming language. Alright, an if statement is a type of decision-making statement in C programming. Decision-making statements helps us to be able to make decisions and be able to control the system the way we want. Without decision-making statements, programming will be incomplete. And first of all, if statement is the beginning of a decision-making statement in C programming language. So let's go ahead and look at how to make use of an if statement. Let's say we have an integer variable right here. And we say int x is equal to 9 plus semicolon, and we say int y is equal to 5 and plus semicolon. And let's go ahead and say, let's print, let's say int z and plus semicolon. And let's go ahead and say if x is equivalent to 5 and y is equivalent to 5. So if x is equivalent to 9 and not 5, and y is equivalent to 5, go ahead and say print. More say this statement. So this statement is true. Go ahead and press semicolon at the end. So if x is equivalent to 9 and y is equivalent to 5, this statement is true. Go ahead and run this code and check it out. So this statement is true because we use an if statement to check the condition where x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 5. Close this. Then where the case here, you can be able to say 9 plus 5 is equal to 14, and we'll go ahead and remove this from here. Let's go ahead and say if x plus 9 is equivalent to 14, go ahead and remove this from here. So if x plus y is equivalent to 14, and let's go ahead and run this code and check it out. This statement is true because 9 plus 5 is equivalent to 14. Okay, so if that is not true, it's not print out anything. Let's go ahead and say if x plus y is equivalent to 10, and let's know if this is going to print out. Seeing nothing is printed, it went ahead and returned 0 for us because this is not true. So an if statement helps us in computer programming, especially in C, to be able to meet up with a required responsibility or a decision that we need. And this is applied to almost every programming language out there, including both Java, Python, and so or any programming language you ever know. So C is basics, and whatever you learn here will be applied in every other one out there. So you've learned about an if statement in decision making, and I believe that henceforth you can be able to start making use of this if statement, and you can be able to write good C programming code that would do some marvelous things out there. If you have any question in this video lecture, please use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.